IB Masters Learning Center at ibmasters.com. And today we're going to look at the first question from the Digital SAT Test 1 Module 2. This is from the Bluebook app, the easier set of reading and writing questions. Number 26 reads, which choice completes a text with the most logical transition? When you see that word transition and you see the transitions, what you've got to do is identify whether the sentence before and the sentence itself shows similarity or difference. We're going to read the paragraph to get some context. Samuel Coleridge-Taylor was a prominent classical music composer from England who toured the U.S. 3 times in the early 1900s. The child of a West African father and an English mother, Coleridge-Taylor emphasized his mixed race history. For example, so we could expect after is going to be an example of him emphasizing his mixed race history. He referred to himself as Anglo-African. So that's a way that he could emphasize his mixed race history. He incorporated the sounds of traditional African music into his classical music compositions. That's another way that he could emphasize his mixed race ancestry. Now, he doesn't say Anglo and African music into his classical music compositions. You got to keep in mind that classical music is based in the West, so that's going to be the English part of it, is classical music altogether. So incorporating African music is how he's emphasizing his Anglo-African ethnicity, his mixed race ancestry, if you will. So what's the correct answer here? What we actually wind up with are 2 examples after it says for example. So we get the first example. In addition, we get a second example. Remember what we said in the beginning. We want to say, hey, do these 2 sentences show similarity or difference? They show similarity because they're 2 examples of him emphasizing his mixed race history. So however shows difference, that would be wrong. Regardless shows different, that's going to be wrong. And then actually also shows a bit of difference. I could say that I was scheduled to be early. Actually, I hit some traffic and I became late or something like that. So actually usually does show a bit of difference as well. In addition is a correct answer A. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with transitions or conjunctions. Is there any question you'd like answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT? Leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything and check out that 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.